Hey, good afternoon, Bob. Trade Genius here, 16th of May. And I think I figured this thing out. So I think there's a great transfer going on right now. Everybody thought it was from smart money to dumb money, but I think it's really smart money to central bank money and clearing the balance sheets of these banks. I think they know disaster is coming, and they're putting it in places where these guys can get a yield and not care. They won't mark to market it, and so they'll just keep it on their books and let it just go until inflation allows them to take it out at some point. But but that's the only thing I could think of for for the SPY and the big large caps. It's the only game they have. The rest of the market seems to be crumbling underneath. We had a good day being long miners again and being short oil, and so I'm going to get to it real fast. I'm not going to go through every chart today. Financials, are just they're just stuck. VXX started getting a little bit of life here at the end of the day, and I'm looking for volatility to pick back up again, and so we'll keep an eye on it. There's SPY, nice end of the day, sell off, and so let's keep pushing it down. But if the Japanese aren't buying and the Swiss aren't buying, then SPY's going to roll over because they're buying it through the major large caps and just lifting SPY. And I think that's what's happening. I think they're gorged up now. And there's GDX. I think it's getting close here to probably putting in a little cup here. So I'm looking for maybe a sell down here next day or two, and then for it to lift back up again. We'll see. It's been surprising me to the upside though. UVXY. Here's Apple. Apple stair stepping down. I just think it's gonna lose its lunch here pretty soon. IWM. Every time they sell it off, they try to lift it back up. I mean, this thing is flat as a pancake, and I think it's gonna roll back over again. It's just sitting on the 100. XLE about ready to short ARX. Nugget pushed right through its moving averages, getting overbought here. Let's see if it gets embedded though. XIV starting to a little after hours action actually. So see if that portends something for tomorrow. There's what they're buying. Amazing. UNG pushed down. It may bounce here a day or two, and then I think it's ready for its big move down. There's silver right up against this 100-day now. There's dust. We're still in our dust trade. Tomorrow I'm going to roll out my 28 for this Friday to 28 next Friday. And I just think it's just going to keep falling. It may jigger around a little bit, but it keeps paying me, so I'm going to keep doing the trade. Okay, so here's UCO. So we bought the 17s for next Friday a couple days ago, and then finally fell 70 cents here. A lot of it was just dripping down all day and then just fell. And I think I'm going to show you guys, maybe I'll do it tomorrow, just how easy it was to short oil all day today. There's a trick that kind of gives me a good understanding of whether or not I should be selling rips or buying dips. And it just worked, just sold rips all day. Here's GLD coming up on its 100. Here's real estate. There's the Amazon. It's down to its 100-day moving average. Let's see what happens next. I mean, retail's dead. Discretionary income is a myth. I mean, this thing is just going to get really, really ugly. And what they do when they raise insurance costs again, I mean, people are just simply going to just opt out. I mean, these insurance companies, I don't understand. They're idiots. I don't know why they're not pushing back on cost increases from the health providers. I think they should be fiduciary for us, not fiduciary for themselves, and they should be fighting for cheaper prices for their their members, but they don't. because they don't care. They're like a real estate broker. We don't care. We're just a broker. They need to be more than a broker. They need to be advocates. MLS still flat. AG, we're out of that from the recommendation from others, and I already gave my limit on that. Here's Biotech. They used it to lift today. Getting close here. Love for a couple more days. Be probably good short. Here's the RX. I'm just waiting for that Stoke to cross over and cross back down over 60, and I think we'll have a trade here we can make a couple bucks on. Silver Wheaton changed its symbol today, but great day. I bought it again at the open, and I already sold it. It's just pushed up pretty high right now, and I love for it to fall back again and be able to rinse and repeat. There's the dollar. And let's see what else I want to show you. Here's oil. Here you go. Oil pushed down pretty hard. And now we'll just see if it continues down. That whole OPEC thing, I think, has played itself out. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. You know, I like the fact that things started selling at the end of the day. I'm looking for tomorrow and Thursday to be weak in the market, and then Friday will probably either be flat or up. You know, unless something major happens. But anyways, Bob from Trade Genius. I want to just show you something on the futures. I think I'll wait till tomorrow. Got to rush out of here right now, and just show you a nice trick, so you don't have to guess. You can be on the right side of the trade. Thanks. I'll talk to you later. Bye.